Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom, cross that bridge when we come to it, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to not worry about a potential problem until it happens. The team are nearly finished a task, but they come across a slight blip which could turn into a bigger problem down the line. One of the team lets the manager know. It's possible it could become a much bigger problem, boss. Well, we're behind on time. Fix what you can now, and if it becomes a problem later, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The student wasn't entirely happy with how she did in her exams. I hope I get into the college I want with the results I achieve. I guess I'll just have to cross that bridge when I come to it. The family were hosting a party for their son's birthday, but it looked like it could rain. I hope it doesn't rain today. Me too. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. During the couple's therapy session, they were still arguing. The therapist had to intervene. Just try the advice I've given you both. But he won't listen. I just know he won't. Give it a chance, and if he doesn't listen, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The woman had an interview for a new job, but the company explained to her that if she was successful, she would have to move to a new city. She spoke to her husband about it. I really hope you get it, but we'll have to move city. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. A sales agent uses unorthodox ways to make sales. Management were discussing it. I'm not sure if we should allow him to continue working this way. Other employees might start to go rogue too. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. For now, let him make us lots of money. The company hired a friend of the manager. He's not fully qualified for the job, but the manager has faith in him. I hope this works out. He might make some mistakes. Give him a chance. He'll do fine. And if he makes a mistake, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Where did you hear the expression, cross that bridge when we come to it? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.